Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about what has become a clear indication that the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, is officially controlling the All Progressive Congress and People's Democratic Party in Rivers State. That's what we're going to talk about. It is now very clear from latest revelation that in an unusual state of things, one man has his legs in the two major parties in Nigeria, and he's calling the shots. That's what we're going to talk about right now. How can this happen? And what are the implications for the resolution of the crisis in Rivers State? Now, the revelation that Nyesom Wike is in charge of the APC. Of course, we know this for a fact because of the cozy relationship between the All Progressive Congress caretaker chairman of Rivers State, All Progressive Congress caretaker chairman in Rivers State, Chief Okocha. Okay? Tony Okocha, he is very close to Nyesom Wike. He has been the one calling the shot in APC, despite the fact there is an authentic state chairman of APC led by Emeka Bekee, who is in the camp, or who is from the camp of former governor of Rivers State, and who is a chieftain and founding member of APC, both in Rivers State and in Nigeria, Chibuike Amaechi. Now, how do we got to know about this? Emeka Bekee, who is the authentic APC state chairman. Why did I say authentic? He emerged through a convention of the party, okay, following the due process of the party. He emerged, and he has a tenure. His tenure is ending about October 2025 or thereabout. So this Emeka Bekee revealed that when he had, because of the crisis in APC in Rivers State, in which Tony Okocha was literally imposed from the national body, from Abuja, to be the caretaker chairman. When he was protesting against the injustice being done to him as the authentic state chairman, he reached out. Okay, the national chairman of the party, Dr. Ganduje, called him and told him that go and meet the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, to resolve his problem. So the embattled APC state chairman in Rivers, Emeka Bekee, was told by his chairman to go and meet Nyesom Wike of the People's Democratic Party if he want to resolve the crisis he is having in his leadership as APC chairman in Rivers State. And Emeka Bekee said he told Ganduje that he will not do that because Nyesom Wike is not a member of their party, that he is a member of the APC, of the PDP. So there goes to prove what a lot of people have been saying, that Nyesom Wike is involved in anti-party activity, but the party had done nothing to him. He has never been suspended. Nothing had been done against him. This man is saying that the national chairman told him, if you want to have peace in your position, you want to retain your position, go and talk to Nyesom Wike. In other words, go and beg him. And Emeka Bekee, coming from the camp of Chibuike Amaechi, you don't expect him to do that. He will be committing political suicide, at least on the side of the former governor, Chibuike Amaechi, who perhaps made it possible for him to emerge as the chairman of the party. That shows you why the crisis in Rivers State is intractable. The APC problem will continue. The PDP problem will continue. Already, the PDP problem is lesser problem now in Rivers State. You know why? Because the PDP had machinery, especially in terms of the last Congress, played into the hands of Nyesom Wike. So Nyesom Wike is controlling the PDP. And that was why during the local government election, Governor Simi Fubara didn't bother to enlist his candidates to go and contest the election under the platform of the PDP. They contested as on the platform of another political party, just to avoid any challenges in court. So given this scenario, what Emeka Bekee has said, you can therefore now know why Nyesom Wike is feeling so strong anytime he goes to Rivers State. The APC is in his pocket, PDP is in his pocket. But good enough for the people of Rivers State. They have their governor, who they are supporting totally. And the governor also is doing well for the people. Despite the withholding of their allocation and all that, Rivers State is moving forward. And the people of Rivers State are getting the dividends of democracy. But in terms of politics, everything is still in crisis. And this thing has played into the hands of the courts. One day, court will say one thing. The next day, they will say another thing. So the fluidity of change of control is another thing. But one thing is certain is that the minister of the FCT is the person that can resolve the crisis in that Rivers State, the crisis in PDP, the crisis in the APC. Only him can solve it. And Ganduje has given that indication from what Emeka Bekee has told the world. I don't know what to think about this unusual situation where a minister is in charge of two political parties in the same state, and yet he has not been accused or sanctioned for anti-party activities. Many Nigerians would like to understand that. And this is a minister that had a history of working against his party in the 2023 presidential election. People are scratching their head to understand how this could be allowed to happen. PDP has done nothing to him, and APC seems to be enjoying whatever role he is playing in their party, both at the state and at the national level. What do you think about what is going on in Rivers State and the revelation by Emeka Bekee that his national chairman told him to go and meet a PDP chieftain if he want to have peace and retain his position as the state chairman of APC? What do you think? What is your take on this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.